Hello, everyone. Today will be a fun video because we're talking about Jollibee. I really miss Jollibee so much, so I wanted to have like a video to show everyone how does the food look like, and also it reminds me of how good it is. And we can't talk about Filipino food without talking about Jollibee. Closest Jollibee location from where I'm at is at San Antonio, but still that is a little bit far. Thankfully, a good friend of mine gifted me with a lot of Jollibee food, so I'm very excited to share it with you all. So, this video is for my fellow kababayans who are abroad and really missing home and Jollibee. So, this is for you. And for anyone who's curious about Jollibee and how their menu look and taste like, stick around. This video is for you as well. Let's start with pancit palabok. This is a type of pancit with ground pork and shrimp stock sauce. So it's really delicious. One of my favorite, peach mango pie. It's crunchy and I really like the texture of the crust. And inside has a sweet filling with a combination of peach and mango. A must try. It's their dessert item. Then this is a combination jolly spaghetti and spicy chicken joy. And of course, the quaint essential chicken joy and rice. You always ask for gravy because that's the perfect combination. Gravy pour on top of a steaming hot rice. That's delicious. Of course, we have a version of a hamburger with a patty inside, a beef patty with some cheese and onions. So that's the hamburger. And of course, you can ask for soda. They have soda. They have different kinds of soda, but you're at Jollibee's, order yourself some pineapple drink, right? Everything in this menu is super delicious. They have other types of food also that you can order, but this is my usual go-to order. Right here, I'm finishing the peach mango pie because why not? It's super delicious. I love it. They also have a tuna pie. Can you believe that? So, if that's your jam, try it. All right, and here is a closer look with that jolly spaghetti. This has traveled quite a long ways, so the sauce and the cheese on top is not super pleasant right now, but the taste is still there. So don't be fooled. It's sweeter than your regular It's sweeter than your regular spaghetti. And this one is the closer look for pancit palabok. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's not all the food from the menu, but it kind of gives you a pretty good idea of what they have and what you might order. So check out their website. There might be a location close to you, and don't hesitate to give them a try. That's Jollibee for you. And if you're hungry for more, don't forget to check out my other delicious videos. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.